This is an absolute jump paradise, and today we'll be putting what I believe are the two best drones on the market to the test. And there's a reason I said will. I broke my ankle, so I'll be doing the filming, and my brother will be doing the riding. But first, I need to actually find these drones. I searched for the best possible drones I could find day and night until I finally found them.
The following Thursday,
The delivery driver was reckless with the package, but my brother still safely retrieved it. My selection of drones was the Anti-Gravity A1 and the HoverAir X1. The Anti-Gravity A1 is a full 360 immersive flying experience, and it'll put my piloting to the test. It has a camera on the top and the bottom of the drone, along with a handle to control everything. Next up is the HoverAir X1 Pro Max, and this drone can explain itself. Yeah, it flies on its own, but that does not mean that the 360 drone won't match up. It's time to go put them to the test. Send it.
One of these drones is controlled entirely by AI, but the other one, my brother's the pilot. And this is the first jump we're gonna be testing them on. It has a huge running back there, so we can test the drone's true top speed.
Hold up. Before we send ourselves into the devil's crack, first, let's have a quick warm up with the drones, please.
Yeah, you're right. We gotta get used to ramping up slowly because the last level is no joke. So we're gonna test it out, the HoverAir and the other drone. I don't know where my brother is. He's a terrible pilot, but at least we have this one here.
I would like to see you try doing this, buddy. Gotta quickly turn around, but I bet my brother's not ready for how fast this drone goes.
Oh, I think I hear something. Oh, there he is. Yup. All right.
Close. Cycling
Let's start. I literally went straight through the ruts there. I don't know why. Ooh, it's like AI stay close.
Both drones were feeling good on the warm-up, but I genuinely do not know which one will perform better.
I guess it's time to see. All right, so we're up here at the top, the jump, and we're gonna test out the one controlled by AI. See if it can hold up to this test. Honestly, I'll be extremely happy and surprised if it can.
I have no idea how this is gonna play out, but I hope the drone survives. He's about to drop in. Let's see what happens.
Turn an angel into angel dust. Top rope caution, got it jumping like double dutch. Used to take a shuttle bus, I ate a struggle lunch. Turn my woes to wins, you know I had another luck.
Ooh!
Big bands busting out of duffel.
Amazing!
From the last scuffle, putting dogs back on the
Now it's time to test my brother's piloting skills.
There's my brother. This is quite insane to fly this. I have a full 360 view, and man, it's not easy. I think I'm gonna have to go into sport mode because he goes fast.
We got Toby on the drone back there. You ready?
Yup, I'm ready.
Drop in!
Oh, crap. I was a little far from him.
Woo!
I kind of want to try that again. Yo, you mind going again? I wasn't able to get close enough to you.
Yeah, no problem.
I knew this was not going to be easy to do. It's just such a big hill, and he's going so fast. Hopefully I can get it this time, though.
Drop in!
There he goes. That was sick. I wasn't even looking, but I think with the reframing afterwards, it will be a sick shot. I don't know, I guess we'll see.
I didn't pop because I thought I was gonna go so deep.
Okay, that's the first jump done. Now it's time to land and go to the next jump.
Oh yeah, and this has an auto landing feature, by the way, which is pretty crazy.
Next jump on the list is the booter. Are you ready?
Yup.
There he goes with the HoverAir.
So we're gonna see how the HoverAir does now on this jump. Oh, that was a test for the speed. Let's go back up and hit it. Just wait a little bit for this wind. Let's turn this bad boy on. All right.
He's about to drop in, and after seeing what happened on the last jump, I'm pretty confident the drone's got it, but we never know.
Drop it. Ooh. Went pretty deep there. Looks like I don't need a pedal. Dropping in. Yeah, just pumping, no pedals, so much better.
That was crazy. The drone almost went into the landing, and now it's time for me to go. I hope I don't crash.
Got my brother now on the anti-gravity.
There he is. You ready?
Yup, dropping.
Oh, that's gonna be sick. That's going to be sick.
I'm alive.
Oh, just looking at it, I know that when I reframe it, it is gonna look insane.
Carved way too much.
That was awesome. You wanna go again though? I think this time maybe from this side might be pretty cool. That was sick. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Drop it.
Let's get it.
There he is.
Okay, that was sick.
Time to land because battery's low.
I can't wait to see what that's going to look like after I edit it. And now it's time for the final and hardest feature. Let's head over there.
All right, so we're gonna test the third jump, the hip. Let's see how it goes. Drop and toe.
First test on the final feature. Ooh, around the corner. Oh, damn, that was pretty good.
Wasn't the best that I hit, but it's nice.
Time to set up the first drone, the HoverAir, to put it to the test. I'm really scared about this corner. I think it will be very hard for this drone to track him around the corner, and me piloting the other drone around it too. I don't know how this is gonna play out, but I really don't want to lose this drone.
We're gonna put these drones to the final test. Supposedly should be the hardest test for them because sharp turns and sudden jumps. But I'm sure they got it.
Close. Cycling mode.
All right, let's get the jump.
He's dropping in. There he goes. Ooh. Oh my. No! It totally lost him. What?
Looks like it lost me. This is a difficult part. I was saying it was a sharp turn.
That corner is just way too sharp, 90 degrees. Oh no. Hopefully we can get that drone again.
Maybe we'll give it another try.
It's just floating there. What? We're gonna have to try again, right?
Yep.
But how do we get it down now?
I don't know. Guess I'll have to figure that out.
This is going way worse than I expected. It's just floating there. Maybe there's a return to home command or something. Gotta cut the cameras. We gotta get this drone down.
Target user not detected.
Yeah, we can see that, buddy.
You got it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Phew. Okay. Time to see if it can do it second try.
We're gonna give it a second try.
There he goes. The drone's flying, and he's about to drop in. Hopefully he doesn't almost crash this time. Ooh. There he goes. The drone's following. What? Oh my God!
That was nice. Let's go. Yo, that was insane.
It followed him perfectly around the corner. That was insane. I knew it was just a quick setting change. Oh my God, it tracked him perfectly. Hopefully this camera captured it. I don't know how I'm gonna compete against this with my piloting skills. Well, the drone got the shot, so now it's time for me to get ready.
It's time for battle.
Taking off, here we go. Let's first get some tests on the terrain.
He's testing out right now to make sure he gets the angles all good.
I need to get faster and faster every time.
And let's see if he can beat the HoverAir. In other words, the AI. You good, Toby?
Hold up, I need some more practice.
Oh, looks like he's terrible at piloting. I'll do this first try. Trust me.
I should come through here, wait for him to pass, and then shoot away. That would be sick. Okay, I think I'm ready. Send it.
Drop in.
Oh yeah, that was perfect. Woo. Woo.
Yeah.
That was definitely very good.
All right, was it good?
It looked good, yeah.
I was so happy with the angle I got. So happy, in fact, that I completely forgot to start recording. And this meant that my brother had to go for another run, which did not turn out well.
Yeah, but you know what I'm thinking of trying next? This angle is gonna be a little bit more dangerous, I would say. I'm gonna be coming from behind the corner, and then I'm gonna pass through the end of the corner here. You're gonna be passing through there, and then I'm gonna go here, and you're gonna take off. It might be very, very cool. Send it.
My duty brother wasn't recording, so let's send it now.
It was all fun and games until things took a turn for the worst.
Shit!
Oh my!
I'm alive.
Oh no, is he okay? I can't do anything. I can't get down there. No, what do? I have to land. I have to try and help him. All of this for a dumb second try.
Landing.
Oh my, he's still down there. I'm gonna have to check up on him. I hope he's okay.
Okay. What the f***? Holy The seat is cooked.
With the goggles, and I was looking back as I was going like this. I was pointing it this way. I didn't know where I was going. I was just seeing you fall behind me.
Stupidest crash. Bent my seat completely. But alright. Hopefully Toby can record this one.
As you can see back there, he's all good, and now it's time for redemption. Let's see if I can get a better shot this time. I'm going to try from over here.
We're gonna hit it again.
Let me test first. You're gonna come through here. I'm gonna go through here, and boom. Recording, not gonna miss the shot this time. All right, send it.
Drop it. Ooh, not nice, but we got it. Didn't even check my bike. It's making some weird noises when I was going down there. I think I bent my cranks. Yeah. All right. Well, that's part of biking.
I really have no idea which one is gonna look better, so it's time to start editing.
After all that effort, anticipation, and chaos, it is finally time to see if it was even worth it. Both of these drones have different methods to export the footage, but for the drone piloted by me, I decided to use the desktop software. And for the AI drone, I just simply exported it off my phone because no editing is needed. The anti-gravity editing software is filled with a bunch of different features to get the best shot, and you know I have to export in the best quality possible. Around the corner, on the hip. Oh my, no way, that looks crazy. You need to see this. And finally, the long-awaited moment. On the best jumps in the city, it's time to finally settle the agreement. AI or 360, let's go.
I gave you my word, don't break it for knowing you know I'ma keep what I said. Ready for war, I've been deep in the trance. Been jumping since I had them squeaks in the bed. Ice in my body, I'm cold under pressure, recovered like I had no heat in the vents. Shooting, I don't have a conscience, too much to accomplish, you know I can't leave it to chance. Yeah, throw it in the bag, throw some dots, I'm Jackson Dart, I'm out of pocket playing tag. Catch me if you can, empty out the mag. Took the lead, I run the track, and I'm never looking back.
In the end, both the AI drone and the drone piloted by me got incredible shots. But I honestly can't decide which one performed better. That's why I want you to tell me which drone you think performed better in the comments. And make sure to subscribe if you want to see me back on the bike.